Hi everybody, Alexine here. I wanted to offer you another way of thinking about paraphrase. It's probably the hardest thing you're going to learn to do, and I also think it's the most important skill that you can master as a reader and as a writer. Because in order to paraphrase, you really need to understand what the quote means. So when you're paraphrasing, it's not just an exercise in moving things around to make a different version of it. It's really to explain it to the reader in a deep enough way that they understand what the quote means. And this is a video made by the father of a little girl named Clarisa Vollmar. She's deaf and blind. And unfortunately, I should add that she died about a year ago. But her parents were doing a really excellent job of thinking about what it means to raise a deafblind child and also about how to educate people about deafness and blindness. And so what we have here is a video made from the father, which is explaining a quote from Helen Keller. So for now, what I'd like you to do, and this is going to be hard, is watch the video and try to figure out how this is an example of paraphrasing. Okay, the video is just about 4.5 minutes long. So here you go. Okay, so that's the video. And again, what I'm encouraging you to do is try to see how this is an example of, sorry, that was my phone, how this is an example of paraphrase, of explaining what something means. I do want to add, though, that being deafblind has not been a limitation for many very important people in the world, including a deafblind woman who worked in the Obama White House. So even though things were hard for Clarissa during her life, and it's very sad that she died young, there is an exciting world out there for deafblind children. And if you want to know more, I encourage you to look up the deafblind woman who worked in the Obama White House because she is truly inspirational. Okay, and impressive. I guess I shouldn't say inspirational. That might be a little patronizing. I think I mean impressive because I'm not working in the Obama White House. Uh, anyway, there you go. I'm going to set up a discussion for you to share your thoughts about this.